and to tell you that we all are precious and we all are needed in the society, and you are the most precious in the world, and we need you. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for making us aware that we have to return ourselves to God and society. We promise to say the mantra, I think I can. It's time to acknowledge the hard work and achievements of our students. We shall now have the prize distribution ceremony. We invite our chief guest, Srimati Lissy Jacob IAS, to give away the prizes.
Gold medal awarded to prize winners at the state level. Arjun Subramanian of Standard 8D is awarded a gold medal by the school management. The rest of the students are awarded gold medal by the PTA of our school. Amal Babu of Standard 12A. Dakshina B of Standard 12B. Amal Raj of Standard 8D. Vishnu Ashok of Standard 8C. General proficiency for the academic year 2009-2010 awarded by the PTA and the school. Fijina Freddy, LKG C. Amita Shaji, UKG B. Abhiram M. Ajay, Standard 1A. Ritika Ranjit, Standard 2C. Nah Ahmad Hamid, Standard 3B. Mohammad Bilal R of Standard 4A. He has also secured the Sarup Memorial Cash Award of Rs 300 instituted by his father Mr. N. Chandran Pillai for one who secured the highest marks in Standard 4 2009. Mohammad Bilal R. Lasina R of Standard 5A. Lordwin Basil B of Standard 5C. Reshma NR of Standard 6B. Rehana Rashid of Standard 6C. She also secures the first prize for Hindi Prasangam at the Revenue District. Grishma P. Rajiv of Standard 7A. Vaishak S. of Standard 7C. Sridevi PR of Standard 8B. Neeta Francis of Standard 8C. Alita Edison of Standard 9B. She also secures the Srikandan Nair R Memorial Cash Award of Rs 300 instituted by his wife Mrs. Ambika Srikandan Nair for one who secured the highest marks in Standard 10. Alita Edison. Rahul Vijayan of Standard 11A. He is also awarded the prize for the all-round best student of the academic year 2009-2010. Vishal Radhakrishnan of Standard 11B. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request Reverend Father George Pereira to kindly give away the prizes. General proficiency awarded by the school for the academic year 2009-2010. Devika SS, LKG A. and Reshma George Kutti, LKG B. Alia S, UKG A, and Gauri S. Nair, UKG C. Arsha N of Standard 1B and Ria T. Gomez of Standard 1C. Ashwadi S of Standard 2A and Adira M.A. of Standard 2B. Syed Faiz Shah Jahan of Standard 3A and Abhijit A. Nair of Standard 3C. Wajih N of Standard 4B. He also secured the first prize and a cash award of rupees 1001 for CO Maths at the national level. Alvin Albert of Standard 4C. Anaga Krishnan of Standard 5B. Ashwadi B of Standard 6A. Nadiha A of Standard 7B. Harita Gerald of Standard 7D. Selma Shanavas of Standard 8A. Aishwarya AK of Standard 9A. She also secured B grade for the state level Malayalam drama competition and a cash award of rupees 500 awarded by Mr. Gopalakrishnan AIG to the best performer of Standard 10. And Grishma P. Rajiv of Standard 9C. Thank you, Father. Now I request Reverend Father Russell Ignatius to kindly distribute the prizes. Prize winners of state level competition. Nasrin SN of Standard 12A secures A grade for mathematics exhibition. Husna Ashraf of Standard 10B secures B grade for mathematics exhibition. Husna Ashraf. Gopi Krishna VM of Standard 12B secures B grade for work experience. Sumaya Sadiq of 12A secures C grade for work experience. Amal Babu of Standard 12A secures A grade for Kathakali group, A grade with second prize for Kathakali single. Dakshina B of Standard 12B secures A grade for Kathakali group. Arjun Subramanian of Standard 8D secures A grade, Kathakali group and second prize. Kathakali single first prize with A grade, Ottantungulal A grade. He also secures a cash award of rupees 500 instituted in honor of previous principal, Reverend Sister Andrina, to the best performer in arts. Vishnu Ashok of Standard 8C, Kathakali group, second prize with A grade. And Amal Raj of Standard 8D, Kathakali group, second prize A grade. Winners of the Malayalam drama at state level. Vishnu V of Standard 9C, Nikhil J. Rudolph of Standard 10A. He also secures the Best Actor Award at the Revenue District. Bijin VJ of Standard 10A, Kiran V of Standard 10A, Karthik Prashob of Standard 10A, Nifin N of Standard 10B, Venetia Ivan of Standard 10B, Hafiz Nawaz of Standard 10B, and Shilpa Lal of Standard 10C. All these students secured B grade. Winners of Yakshaganam HS at the state level. Shilpa Fernandez of Standard 8D, Nilina Lawrence of Standard 10A, Mary Tessie T of Standard 10A, Akila M.A. of Standard 10B, Divya Eastes of Standard 10B, Ninita John of Standard 10C, and Ranjana S. Nair of Standard 10C. They secured A grade. Vaishak Chandran of Standard 10A participated in Kerala State Cricket Association Interstate Tournament. Vaishak Chandran. Fino Francis of Standard 9C participated in the state level football meet held at Kasaragod and secured 4th place. Naha Hamid of Standard 8B got the Raja Puraskar Award in Scouts. Ashmi MS of Standard 10B also got the Raja Puraskar Award in Guides. Mahima Manikandan of Standard 7A gets a rolling trophy donated by Mrs. Alice Brito, a former teacher of this institution, for the best student of Standard 7A. A cash award of rupees 201 is also awarded for the student. Thank you, Father. Now I call upon our PTA President, Sri E.A. Hamid, to kindly give away the prizes. Students who secured A+ in all subjects in Standard 10 and 12. Nitin Mohan. Ashwadi S.S. Anaga G. Akila C.S. Adib Krishna R.S. Ansi A. Wahid and Harita Prasad U. Champions of the 39th Athletic Meet 2010-2011. Kids Boys, Akhilesh SS, Standard 6B, Nehru House. Akhilesh SS of Standard 6B, Nehru House. Kids Girls, Mary Limna Edward of Standard 6A, Tagore House. Sub-Junior Boys, Ajish Anthony of Standard 8B, Gandhi House. Sub-Junior Girls, Arya Babu of Standard 7A, Nehru House. Junior Boys, Rhetoric Richard of Standard 10C, Netaji House. Junior Girls, Nayana Najib of Standard 9B, Nehru House. Senior Boys, John Abhijit of Standard 11B and Nadeem Sarfid N of Standard 12A. John Abhijit, Tagore House. Nadeem Sarfid, Tagore House. Senior Girls, Haripriya of Standard 11A, Tagore House. Rolling trophies awarded for inter-house competitions held during the year 2010-2011. Rolling trophy for the best house in drama, Nehru House. Rolling trophy donated by Mrs. Nirmala Paul, a former teacher of this institution, for the best house in arts, Gandhi House. Rolling trophy donated by late Mr. Patros Gomez for the best house in football, HS, Gandhi House. Rolling trophy donated by 10th standard students 1995 for the best house in basketball, HSS, Tagore House. Rolling trophy donated by Mr. A. Hassan for the best house in sports, Gandhi House. Rolling trophy presented by SSLC students of 1990-91 for the best house in games, Tagore House. Sister Theodore Memorial Rolling Trophy for the overall best house, Sister Theodore Memorial Rolling Trophy for the overall best house, Gandhi House. rolling trophy donated by Mr. P. Ravindran and Mrs. Omanakutti Amma, the former teachers of this institution, to the runners-up, Tagore House. Thank you, sir, and congratulations all the winners.
We would like to express our thanks to our chief guest, Srimati Lizzie Jacob, for having spent her valuable time in our midst. We invite our principal, Reverend Sister Greta Tuttle, to present the memento. Thank you, sister. Our principal, Reverend Sister Greta Tuttle, will now present a memento to Reverend Father George Pereira as a token of our thanks. Sister will now present a memento to Reverend Father Russell Ignatius, the parish priest of St. Andrew's Church. Thank you, sister. In appreciation of the excellent work and dedication of our Kathakali Guru, Kalamandalam Balasubramanian, our PTA President will honor him with a ponnada. We request Kathakali Guru, Kalamandalam Balasubramanian, to kindly come to the dais. Now, our PTA President will honor him with a ponnada. Our principal will now present our token of appreciation. Thank you, sister. We now invite our staff secretary, Mrs. Daisy Andrews, to propose the vote of thanks.
Respected chief guest, Srimati Lizzie Jacob, IAS, former Chief Secretary, Thiruvananthapuram, Reverend Father George Pereira, ex-Deputy Secretary General, CBCI, Reverend Father Russell Ignatius, Parish Priest, St. Andrew's Church, Thiruvananthapuram, Sri E.A. Hamid, President, PTA, School Manager, Reverend Sister Fidelia, our dear Principal, Reverend Sister Greta Tuttle, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, Parents, members of the PTA Executive Committee, well-wishers, members of our faculty, and my dear students. Today is one of the most memorable days of our school. It's an occasion of joy and excitement resulting from teamwork and dedication. As we come to the close of this function, I stand before you with pride and pleasure to propose the vote of thanks. We are indeed grateful to our chief guest, Srimati Lizzie Jacob, IAS, former Chief Secretary, Thiruvananthapuram. It was really kind of her to accept our invitation and for having graced this occasion to spend some time with us. She gave away the prizes and enriched us with her enlightening speech. On behalf of the management, PTA, staff, students, I express our heartfelt thanks to you, ma'am. It is indeed my privilege to express our gratitude to Reverend Father George Pereira, ex-Deputy Secretary General, Reverend Father Russell Ignatius, Parish Priest, St. Andrew's Church, Thiruvananthapuram. They have enriched us with their words of wisdom and enlightened all, and thus devotedly fulfill their duties of felicitation. Thank you, fathers. Sri E.A. Hamid, President PTA, has always been a great support to our institution. His selfless service is worthy of appreciation. On behalf of all of us at Jyoti Nilayam, I extend our sincere thanks to you, sir. Our school manager, Reverend Sister Fidelia, in spite of a heavy schedule, always finds time for our needs. We thank you, Sister, for your timely help and consideration. Our respected principal, Reverend Sister Greta Tuttle, is truly the supporting pillar of this institution. It is indeed her dynamic leadership and guidance that has enabled us to make this function a grand success. I take this opportunity to render our heartfelt thanks to you, dear sister. We are also grateful to the Reverend Fathers, Sisters, and well-wishers who have responded to our invitation. Our heartfelt thanks to you. I extend our thanks to the members of the PTA Executive Committee, Alumni Executive Committee, parents, staff, both teaching and not teaching, and students for their hard work and cooperation in making this function a grand success. I would like to place on record our gratitude and thanks to Sri Cletus Pereira, Sri Shaji, Sri Marshall, and V. Perumal Swami for working hard behind the screen to make our program memorable and unique. A successful event is a blessing from the Almighty. I thank Him for His grace and blessings, which we experience throughout this program. Once again, I thank you all for having graced this occasion with your prayers, presence, and participation. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. With this, we bring down the curtain to the formal function of our 39th Annual Day celebrations. Now, the countdown has begun to raise the curtains of the stage for the variety entertainment program. As the stage gets set for the cultural show, we would like to tell you all that this cultural event is the result of the dedication and hard work of our dear students, right from the tiny tots of the kindergarten to the adolescents of the higher secondary level. Dear friends, we hope you will enjoy this program. Dear ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. Due to the busy schedule of our chief guest, Srimati Lissy Jacob IAS, she is forced to leave the dais. We are very thankful for your kind presence here today, ma'am. I request you all to kindly stand up. Curtains will now rise to the opening chorus by the school orchestra. Our young musicians and singers take the stage to give you all a warm and hearty welcome once more.
All our faces will tell you how happy
Ladies and gentlemen, here is the Ranga Puja dance by our bubbly youngsters of Standard 4.
Dear parents and well-wishers, how dull would a school be without little pattering feet and the dimpled smiles of the tiny tots of the kindergarten? Our little ones from the LKG, in their pure innocence, will charm you, dancing away on their feet and toes to the number Hip Hip Hooray. Ladies and gentlemen, Hip Hip Hooray from the LKG.
Hip hip hooray,
Now, let us tap our feet to a melodious song, Satyam Jnanam Anandam.
രാമൻ തീർത്തൊരു നാട്, ആദിശങ്കരൻ പിറന്നൊരു നാട്, രാമൻ തീർത്തൊരു നാട്, ആദിശങ്കരൻ പിറന്നൊരു നാട്, അദ്വൈത മന്ത്രവും ആയുർവേദവും മുഴങ്ങിയ നാട്, കൈരളി നാട്, കൈരളി നാട്, കൈരളി നാട്, രാമൻ തീർത്തൊരു നാട്, ആദിശങ്കരൻ പിറന്നൊരു നാട്, അദ്വൈത മന്ത്രവും ആയുർവേദവും മുഴങ്ങിയ നാട്, കൈരളി നാട്, കൈരളി നാട്, കൈരളി നാട്. ആർപ്പോയിരം, 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 ആറുമുളം ഭഗവാനെ അതുലസിച്ചാനടിക്കാൻ ആഹ്ലാദത്തിൽ പിന്നാലെ ചുണ്ടനുയർന്നു. ഓദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തേ, ദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തേ, ദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തേ, ദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തേ. ആയിരം ഗജവീരന്മാർ ആഘോഷ ചിഹ്നം മുഴക്കി ആമോദത്തോടോണമെത്തി പൊന്നിൻ ചിങ്ങത്തിൽ. ഓദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തേ, ദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തേ, ദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തേ, ദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തേ.
Tiruvadira is a favorite dance of young Malayali maidens. They usually dance the Tiruvadira during the month of Dhanu. The beauty, elegance and the rhythmic dance movements is a visual treat. Dear ladies and gentlemen, now the students of our high school will present to you Kerala's traditional Tiruvadira.